Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, the teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing here class 7 math subject. Okay, so in our previous classes we have learned the multiplication of algebraic expression, division of algebraic expression. Okay, today we will learn some of the important simplification. Okay, so here one question I have written, so we will do some of the important question in algebra, that is your simplification. Okay, so let's start. The question is, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so what we have to do, the given thing is here. What is given to us? Given thing is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so what we can do here, square term is here. Okay, so let's find the square. So taking square on both sides. Okay, here is the power 2, so it will give you the hint to find the square on both sides. Okay, your left hand side is your x plus 1 upon x and your right hand side is your 5. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 5 square. Okay, so now this x will act as a and 1 upon x will act as b. So we know the formula for a plus b whole square. Okay, so what is the formula for a plus b whole square? That is your a square plus 2ab plus b square. So same formula we will use here. Okay, so in place of a there is x, so x square plus 2ab, that is your 2, a is your x, b is your 1 upon x plus b square is your 1 upon x whole square is equal to 5 square is your 25. Okay, so here x and x cancel because here it is a multiplication, it is in numerator, this is in denominator, so it is cancelled. So what we got here, x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x. 1 upon x whole square means this square is for 1, so 1 square is your 1 and this square is for x also, so x square is equal to 25. Okay, so now here 2 is plus, transfer to right hand side, so what we will get here, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 25 minus 2. So what will be the value of, so after this what we can do here, after this, so x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 25 minus 2 is your 23. So this is the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so once again please you all concentrate. The question is, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so given thing is x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So whose value we are going to find? X square plus 1 upon x square. It is in the square term, so what we will do, we will take square on both sides. Okay, taking square on both sides or squaring both sides. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 5 square. So here x will act as a and 1 upon x will act as b, because a plus b whole square we are going to use. Okay, so a square, x square, a square, we are using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a there is x and in place of b there is 1 upon x. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is your x square plus 2, a is your x, b is your 1 upon x. Okay, plus b square is your 1 upon x whole square is equal to 25. After that, x and this x we are cancelling it because they are numerator and denominator same term, we can cancel it. So plus 2 transfer to right hand side, it will go right hand side, it will be minus there, and we will get the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 23. Okay, so similar question we will do another. Okay, similarly we will do another question similar to it. So just you need to remember here a plus b whole square formula, that is your a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now another question is if a minus 1 upon a is equal to 8, then find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. Okay, so here given thing is here a minus 1 upon a is equal to 8. So here whole square is there, so here also we will take whole square. Okay, so squaring both side or taking square on both side, what we will get here? A minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 8 whole square. So let's find the square. This will act as a. Okay, 1 upon a as b whole square, means we know the formula for a minus b whole square. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so in place of a is there, but in place of b there is 1 upon a. So what formula you get? Or a square minus 2ab plus b square is your 1 upon a whole square. So I will write here 1 upon, you can write 1 upon a as whole square like this also, or 1 upon a square also you can write, is equal to 64. Okay, so here what will happen, this a and a cancel, so minus 2 transfer to right hand side, what it will be? A square plus 1 upon a square is only remaining here, is equal to 64 plus 2, because here it is minus 2, it will go to right hand side, it will be plus 2. Okay, so what will be here? A square plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 66. Okay, here 8 square is a 64. Okay, here minus 2 transfer to right hand side, there it will be plus 2. So 64 plus 2 is your 66. Now we need to find the value of here a plus 1 upon a whole square. Okay, so suppose if we open this, what we will get here? A square plus 2ab plus b square is your 1 upon a whole square. Okay, in place of a plus 1 upon a whole square, if we get the value of a square plus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square, then also we are getting the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. Okay, so what we will do, we will just arrange this formula. Okay, actually this a and a cancel, means here plus 2 is here. Okay, in the middle there is, we can understood a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a whole square. This is equivalent to this and this is equivalent to this. So here must be plus 2, because we need to find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. So what I will do here, okay, what I will do here, a square I will do plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 66 plus 2. What I am doing here, I am adding 2 to both sides. This was the hint. Okay, this was the hint. So I am adding 2 on both sides. So 2 plus here also and here also 2 plus. So we can understand this 2 as a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 68. Why we can understand this? Because a and a can be cancelled. So 2 means 2 into 1. Okay, in the place of 1 we can write a into 1 upon a. Okay, so what we got here? A plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 68. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 68. This is the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. So once again, please, let's see. The question is a minus 1 upon a is equal to 8. So we need to find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. Okay. Question is in minus, but we need to find the value in plus, but in whole square. Okay. So what I do here, I just take the given thing a minus 1 upon a is equal to 8. So as we are going to find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square, so this square is giving us the hint, so I am taking a square, means squaring both sides. So here a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 8 square, just squaring both sides. Okay, so here a is your a, okay, no problem, minus 1 upon a will act as b, so we will use your formula a minus b whole square, that is your a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we put in formula, we will get a square minus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 8 square is your 64. Okay, here a and a cancel, minus 2 will be remaining here, that minus 2 I transfer to right hand side, there it will be plus. So we got a square plus I will leave 1 upon a whole square as it is, okay, is equal to 66. So after this, okay, what we have to do, we have to see the question once again. We need to find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square, but we got here only a square plus 1 upon a whole square. So if we extend it, okay, a plus 1 upon a whole square, if we extend it, we will get a square plus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square. This term is missing, actually 2 into a into 1 upon a is missing here. This means actually here 2 is missing. So what we can do, we can add 2 to both sides. Left hand side also we will add 2 and right hand side also we will add 2. So adding 2 on both sides. This was just the hint, okay. After this step we are continuing from here. Okay, after this we are continuing from here. So a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 66 plus 2. Okay, so I am adding 2 on both sides, left hand side also, right hand side also. So we got here a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 66 plus 2. So a square plus in this 2 is understood at 2 into 1. So in place of 1 can we write a into 1 upon a into 1 upon a, because a cancel, that means 1. So we can write here. Okay, so this is the formula for a square plus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square is the formula for a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 68. So this is the value. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Based on this type of question, I will give you some questions that you please practice at home. So I am giving you some of the questions that will make you easier to understand the question and understand the topic here, simplification. Okay, so please you all try these questions. The questions are: okay, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3, find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Second question is, if p minus 1 upon p is equal to 4, then find the value of p square plus 1 upon p square. Similarly, your third question is, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5, find the value of a minus 1 upon a whole square. Okay, so these three questions, please you all try at home. I hope you can easily do these three questions. Okay, everyone, be safe, stay at home. Thank you, everyone.